Do you ever feel like a tightly wound spring, ready to snap at the slightest pressure? Stress and anxiety. They're silent adversaries, stealthily creeping in, clouding our minds and squeezing our hearts. But what if we could just dissolve them away? Like a sugar cube in a warm cup of tea. Imagine a world where worries are like dandelion seeds, gently lifted by the breeze and carried away. Now, take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then slowly leave, taking away the tension with it. Picture the stress melting away, flowing out with each breath. In this world, anxiety doesn't have a stronghold. It's like a feather, light and insignificant, fluttering away in the face of a calm breeze. See it in your mind's eye, the feather floating away, getting smaller and smaller until it's out of sight, out of mind. Now, isn't that a pleasant thought? Dissolving stress and anxiety, not with harsh chemicals, but with the soothing power of the mind. It's like a warm blanket on a cold night, a comforting hug in a moment of doubt. The power of positive hypnotic suggestions is a well-kept secret. It's like having a master key, unlocking the door to a stress-free mind. It's about replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, like changing the channel from a horror movie to a delightful comedy. Remember, stress and anxiety are not invincible giants, but mere paper tigers. With the right mindset, they can be folded and tucked away. Use positive hypnotic suggestions. Visualize a world free of stress and anxiety. To summarize, stress management doesn't always require drastic measures. Sometimes all it needs is a shift in perspective, a change in the narrative. Picture stress and anxiety as light and insignificant, easily carried away by the breeze. Use positive hypnotic suggestions as a tool to rewrite the story in your mind. So, breathe in deeply, exhale slowly, and let the breeze carry away your worries. Visualize a world where stress is a sugar cube, dissolving away in a warm cup of tea. Remember, the power to change the narrative rests in your hands. Join me in The Hague in June, and I will teach you how to change your life and help others do the same. The key to a stress-free life is in your mind, waiting to be turned. And that's the power of positive hypnotic suggestions. Join the Jacquin Hypnosis Academy. It's not magic. It's not an illusion. It's the mind's way of saying, I've got this.